Okay, so what I wanted to show you was, what we talked about in the first session was, hey, we actually process invoices and decide priority and what needs to be done today based on the due date. So how do we, with the invoice date here, how do we know what the due date is? One of the standard features, and this is a great tool, within the dashboard of your AP invoices, right? All the invoices, all the tools that you have, is there's actually a drop down of even more functionality here to search and refine and group by. So one of those things, of course, is the due date from July 26th through the 10th of August, which is today. So if I hit the search button by that, then it gives me that entire range. Now, if I want to refine that range, then of course I would just bring that from date a little closer. So let's go ahead and just choose last week, and then we'll go ahead and hit search. And there we go. Now we only have one invoice that needs to be processed today. Now, if I wanted to see that individual attachments and invoice information, I would simply just, go ahead and I'll open a new tab here, and we can get that information. So this is where I would have my attachments. This is where I could print all 4 attachments, boom, 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 right from this screen. And let's go ahead and exit that. And if I go back to my home screen, if I want to see, well, what's my due date, specifically for today, then all I would do here is hit the today button. And then, the range is from today to today. I would hit search. And now you can see there's nothing due today. So a really good tool. You can see that I can actually filter by other things, apply dates, final approval dates, who the approver was, what the invoice number was, etc. So a really good tool set that we didn't actually get into in the demo. So it's a good question to ask. Again, how do we group? How do we refine? How do we batch things together? Hopefully you found that helpful.